with you. You're gonna make us eat that.
Let's see, it's blending in.
You're spreading it around like if it was sugar.
What are you doing?
You're gonna make us eat it.
You like so suck at this.
No, look, see?
You're making cinnamon toast. No, wait, French toast.
Let's try. Oh, my liver.
Y'all killed it.
I can't stop.
It's still there, don't worry. See?
Ow, I'm crying.
Okay, turn this on.
Oh, you're gonna have to record him cooking.
That's why I'm recording.
Okay, where's the brown sugar? You never gave it to me.
I told you the brown sugar was down there.
Well, get it. You got
Can I have the pretty one?
that one.
The pretty one.
Hurry up. It's gonna get all soggy and then it's gonna die.
It smells good.
Fine, then I won't.
God. Even though you did like a crappy ass job.
You know what?
Oh.
The rip one, the one that you said was gonna be yours.
This one's gonna be yours.
Using a spoon. Oh, I got something in my eye. Okay,
See, that's what I did. See?
Oh shit.
Oh, that's she, John. That one.
There.
That one's
Pour that one.
yours.